What is the relationship between space and time?
Space and time are interrelated and form what is known as space atom. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, space atom is not separate and independent, but rather a unified whole. Space atom is a four-dimensional continuum where space and time are not independent, but rather influence each other in the presence of gravity or in a state of motion. The theory also predicts that gravity is a curvature of space atom created by the presence of mass and energy. Velocity and space are related conceptually and mathematically. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of position with respect to time. It is typically expressed in terms of distance traveled per unit of time, such as meters per second. The distance traveled refers to the change in position, which is a measure of space. Thus, velocity involves both space and time. Velocity can also be used to relate different frames of reference in space. For example, if an object is moving at a constant velocity of 10 meters per second in one direction, a person observing from a different frame of reference could perceive the object as either stationary or moving at a different velocity, depending on their own motion. This relationship between velocity and space is fundamental to understanding motion and the behavior of objects in space.